Jai Hind, my dear cadets. I hope all of you find by the grace of God. Myself, Third Officer Dr. Vasudha P. Kamath from KRCS English Medium School, Bailongal 5 Karnataka Girls Battalion, Dharwad. Today, I am going to introduce about NCC. Who started NCC first? Pandit H.N. Khunjru. A committee headed by Pandit H.N. Khunjru recommended a cadet organization to be established in school and colleges at a national level. The National Cadet Corps Act was accepted by the Governor General on 15th July 1948. Pandit Hridaynath Khunjru. What is NCC and its important? The main aim of National Cadet Corps is to groom the youth of the country into disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizen. The National Cadet Corps in India is voluntary organization which results cadet from high schools, colleges and universities all over India and gives those voluntaries military training. Next, what is the motto of NCC? Unity and discipline is the motto of our NCC. Now we study about cadet ranks. In Army, Senior Under Officer SU bar O, Air Officer Cadet Senior Under Officer CSUO, and Navy Senior Cadet Captain. Under NCC, cadet get the ranks: Under Officer U bar O, Cadet Under Officer CUO, Cadet Captain. In Navy, Company Quartermaster Sergeant CQMS, Cadet Warrant Officer CWO, Petty Officer PO Cadet. These are the ranks of cadets in NCC. Now, what is NCC full form? The National Cadet Corps is the Indian Military Cadet Corps with its headquarters at New Delhi. It is open to school and college students on voluntary basis. The National Cadet Corps in India is a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from high school, colleges and universities all over in India. What is the color of NCC flag? The three colors in the flag depict the three services of the corps: red for the army, deep blue for the navy and light blue for the air force. The letters NCC and NCC crest in gold in the middle of the flag encircled by a wreath of lotus give the flag a colorful look and distinct identity. This is the picture of NCC flag. And now new NCC flag. What is Army full form? In broad sense, it is a land-based service branch, military branch or armed service of state or nation. The word army may also mean field army within a national military force. However, we can say that the full form of army is alert, regular, mobility, young. NCC, the national flag is horizontal tricolor of deep saffron kesaria at the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. In ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2 to 3. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. What is the aim of army? The primary mission of the Indian Army is to ensure national security and national unity, to defend the nation from external aggression and internal threats, and to maintain peace and security within its borders. The aims of NCC: to develop character, comradeship, discipline, secular outlook, spirit of adventure and ideals of selfless service amongst the youth of the country, to provide a suitable environment to motivate the youth to take up a career in the armed forces. Gopal Gurunath Beur. In fact, even before the NCC bill was passed by the Constituent Assembly, the Ministry of Defense had set up the nucleus of the NCC Secretariat with Colonel, later retired as Chief of Army Staff, Gopal Gurunath Beur as the first director of the NCC. He took over as director of NCC on 31st March 1948. What is the passing marks for NCC A certificate exam? Grading in certificate A cadet has to obtain 45% marks in each paper and 50% marks in the aggregate to pass the examination. Is NCC certificate useful for IPS exam? Is NCC certificate helpful for IPS service? Yes, National Cadet Corps NCC certificate holders have an add-on advantage during the selection process. If the candidate is holding a NCC certificate, means that he or she is physically and mentally fit. Three types of NCC certificates. NCC gives three types of certificates to its cadets based on their level of training: A certificate, B certificate, and C certificate. Is NCC part of Army? No, NCC not even a line of defense. It is a voluntary 3-year program where students are given basic military training in small arms and parades. The cadets though have no liability to join the armed forces once they complete their course. Jai Hind, my dear cadets. We will meet soon with new chapter. Till then, thank you very much.